Title: The Robot Helper. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a boy named Ali who loved inventing things. One day, he built a little robot powered by artificial intelligence. The robot could cook, clean, and even help with homework. At first, Ali used the robot only for fun, but soon, he became lazy and stopped helping his parents. Thinking, the robot can do everything for me. One evening, there was a storm, and the robot's battery died. The house was a mess, and dinner wasn't ready. Ali's parents looked tired after working all day. Ely realized he had become too dependent on his invention and had forgotten the value of hard work. Feeling guilty, he quickly cleaned the house himself and cooked simple food for his family. His parents were proud and told him, technology is a tool, but kindness and effort come from the heart. From that day, Ali used his robot only to assist, not to replace his own responsibility. Moral: AI and technology are powerful helpers, but they should never replace human effort, responsibility, and kindness.